Yes. I got the picture that I needed, and that's what we're sticking with. Can I show it in the vlog?
No.
What?
Let's cut this. Okay, so mom just barely left and she's gonna go get dinner for the boys and her and dad. I have like an hour to get ready. So for me, I'm a bird girl. And a bird girl, they're like the cheerleaders of the play. They're like the backup kind of, not backup, but like the backup singers for like all the main characters, right? So I'm a bird girl, but I look like a golden disco ball. My color is yellow, so if you guys get a clip of the video, I'm the yellow one. So it's a little much of a costume, but oh well. Whoa, the lighting's better right here. But yeah, so I'm gonna put my hair up in a bun, and then I will show you guys some of the people in my cast. Bye guys. Never mind, don't keep bye guys, because it's not over. So we did our hair in a bun. Ooh, let's turn on some lights so you guys can see. Okay, so I did my hair up in a bun. Just kind of threw it up. They said do it in a bun, so I did. And leave 2 strands of hair out, so that's what I did. Okay, lady. We're gonna feed you now. Huh. She's been waiting. Huh. She's in food. Come on, let's go. We just really ended the play. This is my makeup, guys. Honestly, I kind of love it.
Look, this is not gonna come. My mom's like, don't get in the shower every day. This
Girl,
is not gonna come out.
Okay, like every one of my friends met my mom, and that was absolutely amazing.
I love her mom.
Her
mom's so freaking pretty. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty.
I didn't meet your mom.
She's beautiful.
Yes. And your brothers are
I didn't meet your mom, I met your grandma.
You will tomorrow. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are subscribed, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, and I hope you guys have a very good day. Bye! Bye! I auditioned for the play SEUSSICAL for my school. It is a very, very cute, like, play. I think it's really cute for, like, a junior high. So today I thought I would show you guys how I'm going to be doing my makeup for the musical. So, that's what I'm going to be doing. Oh my goodness, I have such a wonderful song stuck in my head. And yes, we are using mom's makeup. Only because I don't wear a ton of makeup. So I'm just gonna put some foundation on just so stuff sticks to my face because it tends not to want to stick to my face. So I'm definitely not using a ton, but I'm a bird girl. So they were like, we want your colors bright. So I'm the yellow one. This is the first time I've ever put foundation on my face, and I do not like it. Feels like I have so much on my face. There's a specific way that the girl was like, let's do her makeup this color, and I was like, okay. So that's what we're gonna do. I gotta find my brush. So at the beginning of the play, I was not very faithful in our cast. I thought this play is not working out at all. Like, I thought it was gonna crash and burn pretty hard. And I mean, it's up to you guys. Me personally, like, I mean, there's always things that you can fix. There's never a perfect, ooh, this is a cute little mirror. I'm not gonna use what's on this, but it'd be great. I did not think that we were gonna be ready at all. Like, I thought like, oh, this play is like, it's a junior high play, what do I expect? But it turned out pretty stinking cute. I think it's really funny. There's a few little jokes. Oh my gosh. Oh, do not want to put yellow on my face. There's a few parts that are extremely funny. But all my dances I really like. I think they're super fun and entertaining. A lot of my teachers will go to them and they'll, like, during class, they'll be like, oh, I came and saw your guys' play. It's pretty cute. I had a teacher and he goes, my little girl, because he's a coach for one of, I think for the basketball team. And we'll see. Anyways, but he was talking about his daughter, and he had a video of his daughter, what's it called? Oh yeah, his daughter, it was during bows, so they were clapping and everything. And the little girl, she starts clapping, she goes, Dad, start clapping, because he wasn't clapping because he was recording her, and it was the cutest thing ever. Eyeliner is my favorite part because I don't really wear it, like, out of shows, like, because I just don't, but it's super satisfying to put on. It's really fun. hands are so shaky though. They said a ton of eyeliner so you can see your eyes on stage. Before and after. You see a difference? Now I have the hardest part. I gotta try to make it look pretty similar, at least on the other eye. What I do. Now I'm gonna do my nose. For the bird girls, they're like, your nose is gonna be like your beak. And so they like are like, do bright orange. So gotta cover it bright orange. And they said to do it yellower this time, so I was like, okay. See, it's starting to turn the color. Why does it look black? Oh, that's just on camera. Some orange right here. That was a little too much. Hey, it's starting to look pretty good. There's my little beak. I got my glitter on my face, and I'm gonna put the blush on at school, so wish me luck, guys.
You look like a bird.
Yep.